This is our dual bore Sideflo cannula, and to help me explain how it works, I'll use this small model. The dual bore Sideflo cannula is used for injecting a liquid like perfluorocarbon or staining dye into a fluid-filled eye. The challenge in those cases is that as you inject that fluid, the intraocular pressure increases. The dual bore allows you to inject those fluids while simultaneously relieving that pressure buildup. The way it works is that there are two lumens in this cannula. There's a center lumen that goes from the hub down the center of the cannula down to this end port. These are egress ports. The way it works is as you insert this into the eye, this egress port remains outside the eye. As you inject the perfluorocarbon liquid, it comes out this end port. As the intraocular pressure increases, BSS is forced into these vent holes and then up the cannula shaft, and then it passively egresses out of this port here. So this is a great way to relieve this pressure buildup as you're injecting these fluids. The side port is a really nice feature because it eliminates any risk of fluid jet. As you inject the perfluorocarbon or staining dye, it comes out of this side port, so there's no risk of a forward fluid jet that could damage the retina. The hub has a filler material in the front of it. This eliminates dead space, but more importantly, it reduces those little fish egg bubbles that you often see when you're injecting perfluorocarbon liquids. So the dual bore Sideflo is a really safe, effective, efficient way to inject perfluorocarbon or staining dye while simultaneously relieving this pressure buildup. It's available in 23, 25, and 27 gauge. I think you'll find it really helpful in these cases.